Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Garlic has a very strong flavor that is enjoyed by many people. I personally love garlic so much. So today I'm going to show you all a very nice garlic gravy curry which can be enjoyed with rice. This is a Tamil Nadu style Poondu Kuzhambhu. So now let's get started and check out how to make this spicy and tangy garlic curry. To make the garlic curry, take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm using sesame oil here. Now add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 4 red chillies. Next add 15 garlic cloves and 15 shallots. Mix well and saute the ingredients. Keep the flame on medium and saute them for about 5 minutes to make sure the rawness is gone. Now add 2 roughly cut up tomatoes to the pan. Saute the tomatoes for 5 minutes. Now for seasoning, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also add a few fresh curry leaves. Mix and saute all these together until the tomatoes are soft and slightly mushy. At this stage, you can turn off the heat and let these ingredients cool down completely. Once done, transfer them to a mixer jar and grind them to a nice fine paste. We have a rough mixture here. Now you can add some water and grind it all to a nice fine paste. Here's our masala paste all done and ready. I'm keeping this aside. Take a wide pan to make the curry. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil to the kadai. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, 3 roughly cut up red chillies. Add about quarter teaspoon of hing. Now add about quarter kilo of shallots and about 170 grams of garlic cloves. These two are very important for this recipe, so we need to add them in these quantities for achieving the right taste. After 5 minutes, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and mix well. Keep the flame on low and add the ground masala paste. Just mix this masala paste with the spice powders. This is so aromatic and you can see that this is very colorful too. Now add the water, add it to the mixer jar and mix well because this gravy is a bit thick. Now add 2 teaspoons of rock salt to the pan and give it all a nice mix. Keep the flame on medium and cook the gravy for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the oil has separated, indicating that the gravy is nicely cooked. At this point, add about a bowl of tamarind juice extracted from a big lemon-sized tamarind quantity, soaked in water for about 15 minutes. Gently mix everything. The gravy is still thick here, so I would like to dilute it with some water. I have added about half cup of water. Mix well, cover the kadai with a lid and cook the gravy on medium flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will be able to see the bubbles forming in the gravy. I'm just going to taste this to check for seasoning. Everything is in place, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons of jaggery powder to balance the flavors in the gravy. Mix this and lastly add a few fresh curry leaves for a nice aroma. Cook this for 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Since the oil has come up completely, the curry is ready. So there you go, you have this absolutely delicious and tangy garlic gravy curry. Make sure you serve it nice and hot with some nice steaming rice. You can enjoy this with some nice fryams or papads by the side. You can cool this completely and refrigerate it for up to a week. This tastes good, so you can take it out and use it whenever you want. This gravy is also great for lunch boxes.
Garlic has many medicinal properties and you will get to enjoy the goodness of garlic in this recipe. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys, and also share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.